Namaste. Let's begin the evaluation. So first stock which I gave you for today's session was Airtel and the selling level was 650 rupees. Let me go to the daily chart of Airtel. 648. It did not even cross that level, which means that we had to bear a stop loss in this particular trade. Second stock was Cummins India. Buying level was 1051 rupees. Let me go to daily chart. 1054. So it gapped up by a mile. Hence, here we could not able to take a trade. Third stock was Havells India and buying level was 1440 rupees. Let me go to Havells. 1000. Okay, it has gone a lot higher than the entry level. 1040. Arey yaar, I think because of this huge candle over here, this opening candle which opened at, it went so low and in the process it hit our stop loss. It is unfortunate because if you see, there was a huge momentum above our entry level. So here again we had to take a stop loss or a bear a loss. Fourth and final stock was UPL and buying level was 760 rupees. In UPL, I don't think so the entry level was triggered. No, price did not even reach at that level. So just like yesterday, today was a unforgettable day for all my calls. Let's hope I can do better in tomorrow's session. So I'm going to write here did not hit entry level. My first pick for tomorrow's session is Sudarshan Chemicals. On the on the hourly chart, we can find a perfect bearish breakout level. So we'll start from here. This is the high we have seen in recent times. Price came at the support level for the very first time and it tried to go over. Buyers tried to push the price over, but it did not manage to match the previous high. So slowly but surely, sellers were able to push the price even lower. Price came here for the second time, and as you can see, as this was a support level, some sellers booked profit, and these two small range bullish candles are result of that. Right after that, we see selling coming through, which means that now all the sellers are very bearish about Sudarshan Chemicals. They think that price is going to go down even further. If that happens, we can see a decent reduction in the stock price, which can take Sudarshan Chemicals in the vicinity of 625 or so. That's quite a decent profit in a single day. So if you can, you should take a trade below 650. That's the level. I'm going to tell you the level at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video in totality. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Hindustan Zinc. On the daily chart, I can see a channel pattern. This is a resistance level. Now I'm going to draw a support level. Just see how price is making upward progression almost every single day. This is not entirely a higher highs, higher lows pattern, but the curve is going up and over. Also, there is fair bit of spike in the volume activity. The most important thing which I can conclude from this pattern is that the low is getting elevated. Here again, it is getting elevated, which means that buyers are trying to kill all the sellers in the price and they are willing to buy in decent amount of quantity. If this particular channel pattern gets broken on the back of decent bullish range candle and volume activity, we are certainly going to see the breakout snowballing into a decent uptrend. So we are going to buy about 330 rupees. Only one thing which is kind of creating a contentious issue is that this particular level at 333, there is fair bit of resistance coming through, which means that price might break above 331 and find resistance at 333. That's why I'm going to keep our first target as 333 only. If price manages to go beyond 333, then there can be a pretty decent momentum which can go upwards of 345 as well. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Exide Industries. On the hourly chart, we can see a perfect bearish breakout level. Look at the way price is falling down from the level of 205. So 205 is the level where price started to show lots of bearish momentum. This was the first time the support level of 185 was tested, and after that, as we see all the time, when there is a first time momentum to the breakout or a resistance level, people prefer to book profit. So this particular bullish candle is result of that. After that, price did not manage to go above previous high, and this was a turning point. And after this particular level, we can see price is slowly going down. This was a second try. So this looks like a pretty good spot to sell in Exide. We are going to sell at 185, and below 185 I can draw one more line. Let me select a horizontal line. So this is a very good target which is coming at 181 rupees. So this is a very profitable pattern. We are targeting 4 rupees of profit. If you can, I think everyone should, because this stock is trading in 180s, so we can buy decent quantity even with a smallish capital, and with 3 rupees of profit per share we can easily earn a decent profit upwards of 1000 rupees even with 20 to 30k of capital. So be ready, watch out. I will advise you to go for pre-market order, because as we see, most of the time there can be a huge bearish candle and which will take away all the momentum and you will lose out on this amazing profitable trade. Final stock for tomorrow's session is Wipro Limited. So on the daily chart, we can see a well-known two candlestick pattern. This is called, this particular pattern is called Inside Day pattern. So this was a huge bullish candle, and what we can see here, price broke free from this particular congestion level, and in today's session, from look of it, the range here is smaller. It is almost at the 50% of this bullish candle, which means that buyers who bought somewhere here at the opening range of this bullish candle, they booked profit. But all the buyers did not book profit, hence the formation of the candle is extremely small compared to the bullish counterpart. If I go to 5-minute chart, we can certainly see at the level of 670, there are fair bit of buyers coming in. So what we are going to do, we are going to look for a congestion level. I think this level here, this is resistance and this is support. So we will be buying above 675, and as we see with most inside day patterns, price starts to reverse and it goes and touches the high of bullish candle. If that happens tomorrow, we are going to earn handsome profit. Talking about all the relevant levels, I'm going to share the screenshot of these levels on my Telegram channel. One thing that we all retail traders have to keep in our mind, we should not keep stop loss amount more than 1 or 2% of our total trading capital. It does not matter however sure you are about a trade, you have to follow proper trading risk management practices if you want to maintain longevity. Otherwise, you are going to fall by the wayside sooner than later. So that's it in this particular video. We are going to meet in tomorrow's video. Take care all of you.